Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading, I am going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. Okay, so let's start the reading for Capricorn viewers. So we have three of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, another earth sign with this 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles, 9 of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Temperance. Some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius. And 10 of Swords. Again, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. 5 of Cups. Water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And 3 of Swords. Oh my god. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Capricorn viewers, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards them. This is the mutual energy between you and your person, and this is the future outcome of this relationship. Okay. Capricorn, your person feels about you with this 10 of Pentacle cards that you are someone who has everything in life. You are blessed with a good home, good family, good pets, good kids. Okay, maybe you guys are married to each other. Okay, maybe you guys are life partner, maybe it's your spouse. Okay, so they see you as someone who has everything in life, Capricorn. They see you as someone who is very blessed in terms of financial things, material things, money wise. Okay, yeah. And with this 3 of Pentacles, your person feels about you, Capricorn, that either you are into some third party situation. Okay, maybe there is someone else in your life, okay, with whom you would like to start something new in terms of relationship. Okay, with this page of Pentacles, I'm feeling that. Okay, your person also feeling the same about you, Capricorn, that you want to start something new, totally a new relationship with a new person. Okay, and for some of you, your person feels about you, Capricorn, that you are dealing with some people, okay, in terms of settling down some business or something like that. Okay, maybe you want to expand your business, maybe you want to start some new business. Okay, in terms of financial things. So whatever the situation is, you are dealing with somebody. Okay, there is someone else in your life, be it professional life, be it professional wise or be it on a personal level. There is somebody in your life, and that person and with that person you would like to start something new. It could be a new business, it could be a new venture, and I feel that it could be a completely a new relationship. Okay, so those were the feelings, or those were the energies of your partner, Capricorn. Now let's see what you feel about your partner. Okay, so Capricorn, you see your partner as someone who was very anxious in past. Okay, who used to be wide awake in nights. Okay, who was not who was unable to sleep in nights. Okay, who was very worried about some certain things in life. Okay, yes, something has happened with you. Okay, something has happened, I mean something has happened between you and your person. That thing has made them worried about you and worried about this relationship. That thing has made them anxious about this relationship and about you. That's why they were not able to sleep in nights. That's why they were so confused and so stressed about something, I feel. And yeah, And with this 10 of swords, you also feel that over the time of period, your person has now given up on that particular thing or particular subject or particular topic. They are not thinking about it anymore. If they were worried about you, that you must be into some third party situation, so now they are not thinking about you. Okay, now they are not thinking about that XYZ relationship. Okay, they have kind of given up on you. Okay, that's what you feel with this 10 of swords. It feels that you feel that yeah, you know that you have hurt them. It's you who has killed their emotion, it's you who has killed their soul, it's you who has, you know, give them the reason to give up on you. Okay, or and if it is not you, then something has happened with them. Okay, in past maybe they were worried or they were anxious about their past bad relationship experiences. Okay, this could be the another story for some of you. Okay, that they were anxious about something in past. Okay, they were worried about something, or they were not able to sleep in night just because of their past bad relationship experiences. Okay, and you see them as someone who has transformed themselves. Okay, they have been a lot in life, they have seen so many bad phases in life, now they have transformed themselves. Okay, with this 10 of swords, someone has ditched them, someone has cheated on them. Okay, yeah, and now you see them as a temperance. You are seeing them as an angel. Okay, you are seeing them as someone who is very calm and very polite, someone who is very down to earth, someone who does not want to know what is there for the their what is meant to be there for them in future. Okay, they are just going with the flow. Okay, and that thing is bringing peace into their life, that thing is bringing balance into their life. Okay, okay, with this 5 of cups, I feel that it's your person, Capricorn. As I said, that something had happened with them in past. Maybe it is because of their past bad relationship experiences, that's why they were feeling anxious and worried and they were unable to sleep at nights. And I feel it's them. With this 5 of cups, they are not seeing what you are going to offer them. I feel that the page of pentacles, as I said, that your person feels that you are into third party situation, and I told you that you must be talking with some people to start some new venture or start something new, or maybe you want to start some new relationship with somebody. Okay, so I feel that it's you who is offering them these cups. Okay, but they are not seeing these two cups which you are going to offer them. They are still stuck in these 3 cups. Okay, these are their regrets, these are their past relationship, these are their past bad relationship experiences. Okay, so they are kind of very sad, they are unable to move. Okay, they are just stick on the same place, and they are not taking any action, there is no communication. Okay, okay, 3 of swords. I feel that it's your person who is going to be sad in future as well. Okay, they are not going to open their heart towards you, they are not letting you into their heart and into their life in future as well. Okay, I feel that they need some more time, because they are there is a trust issue within them. Okay, they are not able to trust anyone blindly now. Okay, so they'll be heartbroken as too in future as well, Capricorn. Okay, so that was the reading for my dear Capricorn viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.